Hi guys, low light conditions here. It's getting on for 10 o'clock at night. Sun went down quite a while ago. What we're looking at here is my solar powered pulse motor aeroplane. There's a solar panel just here, coil just there, and magnets on the wingtips and the tail and the nose. And at the moment there's no power there to push the magnets out the way. David Lewis wanted to know if I've got any UV lamp bulbs so that we could try and power it with UV light on the solar panel. Well, I don't have any UV lights, but I do have this torch, which is a UV torch, one of those ones you use for shining on your banknotes to see if they're genuine banknotes. So I've got that one. That has 9 LEDs in it. And then I've got this ordinary torch that has 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 normal LEDs. So if we watch carefully, when I shine this one on the panel, we'll see if it puts any power into the coil, and that magnet may get moved by the power. There we go. Don't know if you saw that, but it did get a little kick. So this ordinary LED torch is putting some power into there, and I expect if I give it a little push, it might keep going, because it needs very little power to get it going. Looks like it wants to go the other way anyway. So that's just using an ordinary LED torch, and there is just enough to get it going. So if we try the same thing, let's see if we can get it to stop still. Right, now we'll try the ultraviolet. It looks like there's still some power in there at the moment, because it's swinging. So that'll be a bit of the capacitor in there losing its power slowly. Well, we'll just have to accept it's moving a little bit at the moment. Let's give it ultraviolet. Oh yes, quite definite. Is that enough to push it all the way around in one go? Yep, that pushed it back the other way. That's going pretty well now, isn't it? Look at that. So that's less LEDs. I've no idea what power the LEDs are that are in these torches, but that's 9 ultraviolet LEDs compared to 21 normal LEDs. So it's not an accurate comparison because I've no idea what their power ratings are. But we can see that that one is pushing the pulse motor, pushing the pulse motor around quite easily. So there we go, David Lewis. Yes, ultraviolet works. but I don't have any other sorts of ultraviolet lights that we could test this with. One thing I did notice is, if I put this too close, yes, the actual torch itself must be ferrous because the magnets are attached to it. So I've got to keep them out of the way of the magnets. Sometimes in the morning I find that this one's self-started itself. So when it's stopped overnight, when it's dark, I guess if it ends up in just the right place, there's enough for it to get that little oscillation going. And we can see now it's actually got itself into a position where it can't, neither of the magnets are close enough. So bring it there somewhere. We'll do it. Let's give it some help. There we go, we're going again now. That should do, I think.